We're good to go. Let's get teams in their alliance stations. Match number 32 kicks off in 3, 2, 1, go.
1, 2, free robots joining here in Autonomous for qualification match number 32. Holy cow, taking this time to strategize, look around, see what they can do in teleop. Samples making their way up towards the high basket for blue, courtesy of Robo Eclipse. Specimen on the board from Null Robotics. That's one. They'll try for 2. That one falls to the floor. Seattle Solvers, 1, 2, free now 4. Good specimens, 10 points each. They'll try for 5. Good as well.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
2 minutes of teleop control with a live score of 167-23 in favor of blue. No Robotics working on plugging in their controllers. They now come back to life, joining us here in teleop, or seemingly not. Field crew working with them to figure out what's going on. Meanwhile, holy cow, the other member of the Red Alliance carefully navigating around their side of the field, looking to see what they can do to contribute to the Alliance score. Front side of the field for the Blue Alliance, Seattle Solvers reaching into the observation zone. I believe they dropped off a blue sample as their human player quickly converts them into specimens. On the backside, Robo Eclipse with a specimen or sample in hand, rather. They dropped that off Alliance-specific blue sample, good in the high basket for 8 points. Solvers lining up. They drop off another sample, another specimen incoming from that human player. Null Robotics, the robot in pink, reaching in through the front side of the submersible, trying to grab themselves another sample. They reach up, drop it off. It's good for another 8 points of their score. Under a minute left to play. 219-41, your current live score, as we look to see if the Red Alliance can catch up and work through their technical problems. Null Robotics, another specimen or sample, good on the high basket for 8 additional points, but Seattle Solvers is working through their backlog of blue specimens. Another one on the high chamber, good for 10. They route back and try for another one, good for another 10 as well. 30 seconds left in the match as we enter endgame. At the back of the field, Robo Eclipse dropping off another neutral sample. That's good for 8. 22 seconds left on the clock as the robots need to be careful reaching into the submersible zone. Null Robotics away with a sample. Eclipse away with a sample as well. Solvers reaching up for some reason. We'll see what they do. Will they climb with 5 seconds remaining in the match? Null Robotics still on the tile. They attempt to climb off the floor. They seem to be clear, but our referees once again at the final call. We'll be right back. In we go. Blue Alliance takes the win, 314-107, your final score.
Just a few more matches to play. Match number 33 is frantically queuing up here on field number 1. It'll be the last appearance for each of these teams. And among those teams for our Red Alliance will be Team 19.